please like, comment, and subscribe so we can keep this channel going. We're having a blast doing it, and we just want to get the word and message out there. We got a lot of cool giveaways and contests coming up, and keep checking us out. See you later. What is up, guys? We got a cool one today. We're stepping in on a project that we did about 3.5 years ago, and he just wants to build an enclosure for his projector for an Epson, I believe it's a 5040. So yeah, let's go check that out. These should be 250 RP250s, 404C. It used to be B440C center channel, so that's the 440, SPL 100. So yeah, that's about 3.5-4 years ago. So what we're gonna be doing, he wants to put this projector inside of an enclosure. So we're gonna put this inside of the wall. So we're gonna cut a box out and stick that inside. Get it done. First hole cut out here. We actually are changing the config of the seats so we can get the lens a little bit lower to fire over the center of these seats. We're going to build this box into this wall, cut around the corner, so this projector is going to sit right here behind this stud. We don't want to take out that stud because that's a roof support, so we don't want to take out a load bearing stud. Let's get it done. Level? Really? Alright guys, here we got our basic platform for our box. This thing will hold whatever I want it to. I actually use the roof line. It's holding up the roof, so it'll hold up our 30-pound projector. So I'm going to put in one more piece so we can lay a flat piece of sheetrock down here. I'll step back for a second, and we're going to go piece of wood up here on the top and here, and then sheetrock this box in here so it'll perfectly hold this projector. Have a back on it right here. Okay, let's get it done. Here's our box so far. What left to do is I'm going to put a piece on this other side. It goes down and attaches to this. Sheetrock's going to go up here. This will be a removable door, so we can take this door out and replace projectors in the future. There we go. Alright, our box is all done. I'm going to go ahead and paint this now. I'm finished with my box here. I got all my wires run up. I'm just gonna seal off that right there, and then go ahead and run the projector in. Put the projector in, and then I will put our door back over and size and fit it. I already went through the back and foamed around the whole back of the box and put insulation on the top and the sides of it. So now let's get the projector in. Alright guys, here we go. Got the projector in. I'm gonna give it a first run, try to fire her up. Now I have it a little bit offset because the center of the room is here. The stud layout's like this. That's why we built this box that sinks back into the corner like that. Screw, let's get her done. But it's super dark in that whole area. So. Alright guys, we're all finished up here. I'm finished with my portion, my box. I got that all done. We love being able to do this kind of really cool custom work where you can get things out of the way and just, we do things a little bit differently, or we can, no matter what, always do it the right way. And this is a very creative solution for his setup of his room. Please like, comment, and subscribe so we can keep this channel going. We're having a blast doing it, and we just want to get the word and message out there. We got a lot of cool giveaways and contests coming up, and keep checking us out. See you later.